Hello, and thank you for joining us today. My name is Aaron Donlin, and I am Product Manager at Epson Robots. We are very excited to be presenting this award-winning 6-axis arm for you today. Just to give you a little glimpse into who we are, yes, we are the same Epson that brings you all kinds of high-tech solutions for your home and your business needs. In particular, for robots, we are the #1 SCARA manufacturer worldwide. We have been in the robotics industry for a little over 36 years now, and we have over 100,000 robots deployed globally. These are the typical vertical markets that Epson supports. Our product line reflects these market needs with such features as IP washdown, clean room, and electric static discharge. While these are our core markets, the most exciting thing about robotics today is that the systems are much more approachable from an ease of use and cost standpoint. That is allowing robotics and automation to find their ways into so many more industries. As our director always says, if you want to know what people are using to do with our robots, just look at your person, your glasses, your watches, your smart devices. We serve a lot of different markets. This is our Epson robot product lineup. As you can see, we manufacture both SCARA and 6-axis robots and offer an extensive list of integrated solutions. As you can expect of the #1 SCARA manufacturer, we have 3 different levels of performance and over 300 different robots to meet many different market needs. We have our all-in-one SCARA robot, which shares many of the same features and benefits and even some more than our VT that we're talking about today. Stepping up the next tier, we have our LS lineup, which can be optioned in clean room, and the arms have a maximum payload up to 20 kilograms, 1 meter of reach. For ultra high performance applications, including electrostatic discharge and IP, as well as wall and ceiling mounts, are the G series lineup for the most demanding of applications. We do offer many 6-axis as well in our C series lineup with a maximum payload of 12 kilograms and a 1400 millimeter reach. Rounding out our 6-axis lineup is the VT6L All-in-One that we're here to talk about today. So what were the customer pain points that we set out to solve when we developed this all-in-one product line? A huge challenge for many automation projects can be the cost of the project, which includes integration and installation. Many companies today are still struggling with high labor costs and as well as labor turnover. In addition, many applications are just becoming too difficult with manual labor, such as dispensing and picking and placing really small parts at really high speeds. Poor quality can really affect not only your cost, but your customer satisfaction, your throughput. Speaking of throughput, many companies need to increase their production to meet increased demand, and that's why they want to look to automation. So how can the VT6L help? To help reduce your installation cost versus some of the current solutions for applications that you're currently doing with manual labor. So let's introduce the robot already. This is a 6 kilogram max payload robot with a 900 millimeter reach. This can be mounted on the table, wall, or ceiling for different applications. In addition to our standard environment, can also be ordered in a clean room or an IP67 washdown spec. Okay, jumping in today, we have Koshin from our applications engineering team. He is going to take us through some machine specs as well as some popular options for the VT6L robot.
Hi, my name is Koshin. I'm an applications engineer at Epson Robots. As precision automation specialist, the Epson Robots team has been building automation products for nearly 4 decades. Epson is an industry leader, and we continue to introduce new innovative products such as this powerful VT6L all-in-one 6-axis robot. The VT6L is an affordable all-in-one solution ideal for a variety of simple applications. This robot has 6 degrees of freedom. It can handle up to 6 kilograms in payload, offering a reach of up to 900 millimeters. As part of the all-in-one series robots, it includes a built-in controller at its base, making it an ideal fit for factories with limited floor space. The VT6L uses the same programming environment as the RC90 and RC700 controller series. It also offers many powerful options to enhance your robot system. Let's talk about the robot design. It has a compact slimline design, giving you access to hard-to-reach areas in confined spaces. The metal castings are minimized to allow for a greater range of motion. As mentioned earlier, it has a reach up to 900 millimeters and payload up to 600 kilograms with 100 microns repeatability. It also has allowable moment of inertia on J4, J5, J6 that are very impressive for its class and cost. The VT6L offers a wide-ranging choice of end-of-arm tooling such as mobile-mounted camera and multi-headed tooling. The VT6L has a hollow end-of-arm design which allows for simple cable management. This unique structure reduces the typical long end-of-arm cable loop required to mitigate pinching and pulling on the tooling. The robot can be ordered in a variety of versions, including a protective version rated for IP67, as well as a cleanroom model rated for ISO Class 4. The VT6L has flexible mounting options available in tabletop, ceiling, and wall mount. When it comes to powering the robot, either 120 volt or single-phase 208 volt power sources can be used. That means you can plug the VT6L into a home outlet, standard outlet, or within your industrial factory settings. The VT6L has easy access back panel connections for USB and Ethernet, so that you can directly connect to your PC for RC Plus development. There's also an additional USB connector creating quick controller backups. The Ethernet port can be used with TCP/IP or Modbus, as well as serial communication protocols. These communication options are included with the purchase of your controller. Teach pendant support is available in the back of the unit as well. The built-in controller has 24 physical inputs and 16 outputs. These can be wired with PNP or NPN. This demonstration shows a proximity sensor tied to the robot input. The robot will react and slow down to the sensor input turning on. And for security reasons, it will turn off the motors when you get too close. Users also have the option of controlling the unit remotely via physical I/O, remote Ethernet, or field bus communication. The additional supported options are integrated vision, integrated flexible feeding, field bus server, which includes CC-Link, Profibus, Profinet, DeviceNet, EtherCAT, and Ethernet IP. The Epson GUI Builder is another available option which allows developers to create their own user interfaces for operating the robot. There's a RC Plus API option, which will enable Microsoft .NET Framework and LabVIEW use. Another popular option is the VT6L can come with external cabling and mounting units to make it easy to manage your cabling around the robot. The VT6L 6-axis robot delivers all of these powerful features at an affordable price. It's an all-in-one solution that's easy to use and compact for simple applications, and it starts at just $13,900. Reach out to your general sales manager today to learn more. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to providing you with your next solution.
So the main selling premise of the VT6L has stayed the same. It's simple, easy to use, and reliable at a great price. We call it the all-in-one because, as Koshin said, the controller is built into the base of the robot. There is no separate controller or cables. It can run on either voltage source, right? So 110 or 220. And it comes with our powerful RC Plus development environment for creating automation cells. There are many ease of use features within RC Plus, but my favorite is the built-in simulator, which allows you to develop solutions offline, experience the environment for yourself. What we can do is, if you reach out to a regional sales manager during the show, they can send you a link that has our trial software that does have the simulator, as well as some of the other ease of use options on that software. So what are some of the target applications for this robot? The VTL really is ideal for a ton of different applications, but ideally machine center loading and unloading, certainly packaging, and as well as assembly. The slimline design with a built-in controller helps save valuable floor space, and that compact wrist really helps us get into some of those hard to reach areas, like getting into a machining center door. As we said before, this robot can be used for a ton of different applications. but we wanted to share one application just to give you an idea of what it can do.
Hi, my name is Koshin. I'm an applications engineer at Epson Robots. The VT6L is a powerful 6-axis all-in-one robot with many features, making it an ideal solution for most simple applications. Today, I want to demonstrate how the VT6L works on battery assembly applications. This is the standard VT6L model in a tabletop mount configuration. The robot is currently running on 120-volt power, commonly found in any business environment. As part of the All-in-One series robots, it includes a built-in controller at its base, making it an ideal fit for factories with limited floor space. The allowable moment of inertia are very impressive for its class and cost, handling up to 0.3 kilograms meter squared on joints 4 and 5, and 0.1 kilograms meter squared on joint 6. This offers a wide-ranging choice in end-of-arm tooling, such as mobile-mounted camera and multi-headed tool. This demonstration is a simple pick-and-place application. As you can see, the VT6L is handling two different parts at the same time, the battery itself and the lid. It has two sets of vacuum tools. The robot assembles and disassembles the battery pack. The VT6L has 6 degrees of freedom, allowing the robot to pick and place the parts with a pitch in the V&W direction. This demonstration simulates the need to angle the parts. The VT6L robot is repeatable to 100 micron, allowing it to place the parts into tight fixtures. It also has cable routing options like cable brackets that allow you to efficiently route your tubing and cables. All these features on the VT6L are available to you starting at just $13,900. Clean room and protected versions are also available starting at $15,900. Reach out to your general sales manager today to learn more. Thank you for your time, and at Epson, we look forward to bringing you more innovative products.
So let's do something that we never do in this industry. Let's talk about price. This is for the US only. We do serve some markets outside of the US, so different taxes and import laws. But for the standard version, it is, as Koshin said, the robot is $13,900. For our clean room and our IP rated VT6Ls, they're $15,900. So that's pretty, that's a really affordable 6-axis robot from Epson, an established robot manufacturer that offers full warranty, service, and support. Support not only for the options that the industry needs, but that for a full RC Plus development environment program for simulating and building your automation cells continues to get better over time as we invest and improve the software with new releases. We do have many options to cater this robot to your needs. As we kind of said in the video, our integrated vision guidance has been around for 20 plus years. It is great for robot guidance, but also gauging, identification of different barcodes, as well as an inspection for known defects. We also offer a fully integrated parts feeding solution that with Vision Guide, our customers tell us they can get up and running in one day instead of a couple of weeks if you're cobbling different robot vision and parts feeding softwares together. We talked about the cable management. I think it's great to have these pre-engineered brackets. You just bolt them right onto some pre-threaded holes on the robot. It really makes that, takes the guesswork out of cabling. We talked about our field bus options. We do have a ton. One that's very popular in the US is Ethernet over IP slave. And what's new this year, and we want to talk to our customers about, is the addition of add-on instruction software that really allows it a lot easier to pull our robots into that Allen Bradley programming environment and do all your programming in that environment and just tell the robot what to do. So we're very excited about that software option. Another one that's pretty for 6-axis is when you have a fixed tool versus one on the robot. Sometimes it's beneficial to move the workpiece and not the tool, and that's what our external control point software does. So that's about it. Thank you very much for your time. Feel free to stop by and speak with a regional sales manager to learn more about this robot or Epson robots in general. Thank you again.